So just one quick question. So you talked about how in these communities, the people that are accepting payment need it in their local currency. So you said they could buy fertilizer, for example. But this whole theory of participating in the global economy and being able to sell your goods and services in another part of the world and then receive payment with a low commission and quickly so that you can pay your costs, I mean, that's sort of another kind of variable in the overall equation. I mean, you talked about within the ecosystem that they live in, but what are your thoughts in terms of the cross-boundary piece?
Yeah, thanks a lot for the question. Our thinking goes a little bit on following these lines. So if we can make these digital payment platforms work in a country, and then you have it work in Tanzania, and then in Kenya, and Uganda, and Burundi, and Rwanda, and all of them comply to these principles, well then it's going to be pretty easy to hook them all up between themselves. And now all at once, you start talking about a regional multi-currency system that allows for regional remittances and business. And the importance of that is huge. Just two illustrations. Today, for the B2B transactions in East Africa, like company to company purchasing goods, like from Tanzania to Kenya, more than 40% of such transactions are settled in New York. Why? Because they deal in dollars. Huge costs. That's not the shortest path, right? If I talk P2P, if I send money from Tanzania to Kenya, it's going to cost me 14 to 18% of the amount. So now if we can connect all of these systems together, now all at once you have a regional, very low cost, real-time instantaneous transfer. And my own dream is that as this starts growing, that all of Africa may one day be just one big interoperable payment platform.